Good morning students. Now in this video I am just explaining you some examples of continuity. First of all, I just explain you once again the definition of continuity. The definition is that limit x tends to c fx that is equal to fc. Now I just explain you this definition with the help of example also. Fx is equal to 2x plus 3 at x equal to 1. X equal to 1's mean is that at particular point we have to check either the function is continuous or not. Let's say take how to solve it. Limit x tends to 1 fx. In place of function we will put down 2x plus 3. So the limit x tends to 1 2x plus 3. As all of you know that whenever we get a limit we have to put it in place of x. That we had done in class 11th. 2 in place of x we have to put 1 plus 3. The answer is 5. So this solution is this one. The limit x tends to c fx. The solution of this one part is this. Now the next we have to find out fc. What is the value of c here? That is 1. So in place of c we will put down 1. This is a function. In place of x I am putting 1 here. So 2 1 plus 3. So if after solving that we get this answer 5. If we will see that both of them having the same answer, it means that the function is a continuous function. I hope that all of you get clear this. Now I am taking the next example. In the next example you can see that fx equal to x plus 2 if x is less than equal to 1, x minus 2 if x is greater than 1. Here the function is divided into two parts. When the limit of x is less than 1, the function is x plus 2. When the value of x is greater than 1, then the function is x minus 2. So in this way there the two cases are arises, left hand side or right hand side. Let's see how can we solve it. So let me take the case 1. That is a left hand limit. Left hand limit, if we will see on the number line, there are the two things. One is that side, other is this. This one we know as the right hand side and this one is a left hand side. So in the similar way we called it as a right hand limit, left hand limit. Left hand means is that if our value of x is less than that particular value, that means it is moving that side, less than, greater than, we are saying this side. So the left hand limit when the value of x is less than 1, it means is that this one. Limit x tends to 1 minus. Minus, why we are using that? Because whenever we are moving on the left hand side, the value of that particular point, it will be decreases something. So we are using minus sign. And how much it is decreasing? We are taking it as a h. It is little bit decreasing. That is x tends to 0. It means that near about 0 it is decreasing. So let me put down. Now x is equal to 1 minus h. If we are replacing x with the h, that means limit will also be replaced by this. The limit h tends to 0, x plus 2. Here I am putting down the function. Now we have to replace this also. Why? Because we are replacing the limit. So in place of x we will put down 1 minus h. Why we are using minus h? All of you know. This is left hand limit. 1 minus h plus 2. After putting this value h tends to 0, 1 plus 2 will be left and this is equal to 3. I hope that all of you get clear. Now the next is case 2. In the case 2, right hand limit. In the right hand limit the value of x is greater than 1, that side. So the function will be x minus 2. So limit x tends to 1 fx, the function will be x minus 2. Let me put down the value here. Limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h. Why? We are increasing something in it, so we are using plus sign. And how much we are increasing? Near about 0. So 1 plus h and h tends to 0. So here I am putting down here 1 plus h minus 2. After solving that we get this minus 1. Now all of you know that whenever we have to check either the function is continuous, their left hand and the right hand should be same. But in this case the left hand limit is 3 and the right hand limit is 1. So according to the definition the left hand is not equal to right hand. So the point of discontinuity is at point x equal to 1. So in this way we have to solve this. Thank you student and have a nice day.